What's going on, guys? It's your boy Tony B, and we are back again with another lit video. And today we're gonna be working again on the C10, y'all. Yeah! Hey, but first, boy, y'all see how that screen got all bright like that, man? That bright white, man. I was kind of at first upset because it wasn't as popish. Come on, man. I don't know if that's even a name. That's not even a name. That is not even a word. Popish. But I wanted something that pop. And the white is doing pretty good, man. But you know, today we're not worrying about the paint. What we're gonna do, we're gonna try to put on little accents and see what it'll look like. I have some tail lights over here. If y'all don't remember, my big little bro, he hooked me up, got me some new tail lights for this bad boy. They did come with the chrome accent, and this is where I need you guys to come in the comment section. Let me know what you guys think. I'm gonna put one on with the chrome accent and one without it. Hold on, let me see if I can work it up. Hold on. Hold on. Hold on, man. Y'all, be patient. Oh! What the was that? Oh! Negro. You gay. Well, I don't know what I sounded like then. Hold on, y'all. Hold on. All right, I got y'all. Here we go. We got the little chrome surround. I don't know, or whatever the stainless steel, whatever the heck this is. It don't look chrome. Look kind of flimsy. But only reason why I'm debating it is because, as you can see, you know, we have the beauty trim on the rallies, and you know that little bit of chrome may set it off a little bit. But I don't know, y'all. I don't know. I might want to do it with just the red lights, man. Just the regular red lights. But what we're going to do today, I guess we can go ahead and put both of them on. One with the trim and one without it. Because what else I got over here, y'all? I'm sorry, y'all. This video is all out the whack. All out the woohoo. We can't put the headlights on yet. I still got to get a little bit of stuff for that. We got these side markers, which I don't know if those have the chrome trim on it too, so that may stop me from using the chrome trim in itself. Hold on. Let's see. Told y'all, hold on. Yeah, this does have the chrome trim on it. But does it give you the option to take it off? It looks like it does. As you can see, it does have the little chrome trim on it, which is the side marker. Does this even fit? I didn't even see if it fit. I don't know, y'all, but wait. Oh no, it's raining. Man. Well, that's not gonna stop me, y'all. Let's go ahead and see what we can do.
Some viewers may find the following video disturbing. Viewer discretion is advised.
Oh, what the f are you doing?
Graduated from a rebel to a revolutionary in my area, they love this. I'm a wreckhead like I'm revving the engine, heaven's ascension, every dimension, give me attention. Look at my soul, look at my heart, look at my hope. Got the world on my back, but I carry it though. Tell them God got my hand, I ain't letting it go. I came from the side of the ocean. Swim with the best of them, I can't deny I was chosen. Yeah, it's the Miggity Mac, milking the mic, I don't think I'm giving it back. Living unlimited winnings, that's a limited fact. I'm mastered this, ain't no coming after this. Resurrected from the dead like Lazarus.
I just gotta go off on it. I just know to put the sauce on it. I don't care about the cost on it. I just gotta get lost on it. I'm just trying to break loose. I'm about to light the fuse. I just need me a cup. I'ma pour me the juice.
first. All right, guys, I'm in a
Perfect.
All right, guys, I'm in a dilemma, man. I just knew I wouldn't like that trim on there, but it kind of breaks it up kind of well. I don't know. What you guys think?
Perfect.
Thanks. What do you guys think? Go down in the comment section. Let me know, man. I don't know, man. I would say if the trim was in better condition, because as you can see, it doesn't fit well. You know what I'm saying? And I mean, all it is like little tabs on the end that you fold in. So it's not really secure. So that might automatically just disqualify that, because I don't want one side falling off and one side being on. But this side is just clean. Like with that white, it's just clean. But I don't know. This side separates the red and the white a little bit. Man. I don't know, y'all. I don't know. Man, that is a hard decision. But let me show you guys exactly what I'm talking about with the tabs. See, this one, as you can see, this one is all jacked up. And that's why I'm kind of not wanting to use it. And you see the little tabs on the end that you just kind of fold over. And see, that's what you get for buying stuff off eBay. But, you know, it is what it is. But next, I guess we're going to try to put on these little side reflectors. See how they fit. Yeah. But, man, I'm feeling good either way. But I think I'm going to take that trim off and just have that booty back there red. But she looking good. She looking good, y'all. I still ain't made a name up for her. I seen some people say,
What did you say?
Negro.
you know, so I can't say that on YouTube. Some people said white lightning, which is good. I think somebody said boiled egg. And nah, that was me. I said that stupid boiled egg, but man, I feel good, man. I mean, you know, for a person that hasn't painted before, man, I feel good with the outcome of this Rust-Oleum paint. Seemed like it's already hard, but I'm gonna wait a little while before I do the wet sand and buff, because I do have a lot of dry paint up here on these front bumpers and on that side fender over there, not bumpers, fenders up front. So I will be wet sanding and buffing that. And you know, I didn't show y'all this, but I did have some overspray, a lot of overspray. But I'm gonna go ahead and get that off too in this video, because that's kind of embarrassing. But you know, we're gonna get that off, man. And I got some back here on the weather stripping. That was from the primer. You know what I'm saying? I don't hide nothing from y'all, but what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna end up probably sanding that off a little bit, just trying to get it back black. And up front, I mean, it looks pretty good, but I'm gonna have to end up changing the seal out anyway, because I got a big crack up there. I don't know if it's coming on the video or not. Let's see. Can y'all see that crack? It's a big spot of crack from when I had the cowl induction hood and I was trying to get the old engine out. Those were the days. I wish I was recording videos then, man, because I was doing some crazy stuff. See, that's the hood right there where I poked the hole in that darn window. Stupid, man. But yeah, I think I'm gonna take this off and just have it straight up red. And then I'm gonna let y'all vote on it, but we're gonna see. Maybe I get some better trim than that. See how that look, because I don't think I'm gonna do the wheel well trim either, because it came with that. I don't think I'm gonna do that anymore. We're probably gonna end up lowering it. And as y'all can see, the stands looks horrible. Looks horrible. Look how that wheel is just all up in there like that, man. Look at that. Man, we gotta get flush around here, man. We gotta get some wheels up on this thing. Get some 3-piece wheels up it. Psych! Man. Can't afford no 3-piece yet, but hey, we'll see what we can do, man. It'll probably be some type of second-hand wheels that I can buy, try to refurbish them. Y'all know how we do on this channel. We make things happen with little to no money. But let me see what these reflectors look like up front, and then I'll cut y'all back on. Why did I do all that? I don't even know why y'all look at my channel, man. All right, guys, we got another dilemma. Lord have mercy. As y'all can see, once again, these cheap eBay lights come with this, I guess, stainless steel type molding. This side, we have the black trim on the outside, which I kind of like. You know what I'm saying? The black and white theme is kind of where I'm trying to go. I'm gonna do a little black here, a little white here, a little black here, a little white there, just to kind of break it up. I don't want to have too much white, but yeah, we have a big problem. Look at this gap, man. I didn't know that this body line right here was that jacked up on this side, man. See, that show you right there. You got to make sure you do the body work. You just can't slap paint on stuff, man. That's all on me. Wet sanding and buff, not wet sanding, but just doing the body work. I didn't even know that was there like that, man, because this side, as you can see, they don't have that gap up there. So somebody done punched that mug in on that side. Hope they hit my darn truck, man. But I'm kind of scared to push it out. I might can push it out, but this paint is too new to be trying to push it out. It don't matter, man. I got plenty of Rust-Oleum paint over there. What I'll probably end up doing is trying to push it out, trying to pull it out or whatever. And what I need you guys to go in the comments and do, like on the back tail lights, should I do the accent or should I take the accent off and just let the black and the orange be up here? The black and orange looks kind of cool. I don't know. I would like the clear reflector on the side. That I think that will go good with this white. Also, you guys, if you guys don't know, I did delete the mirrors on the side also. Should I go with the little smaller mirrors that most C10 owners use, or should I just leave it shaved? If I leave it shaved, I think I would have to go wheels, have to make this thing a little bit more custom, because I mean, without it, I mean, it looks good. But at the same time, it probably will look good with maybe, you know, the smaller mirrors on the side. But I don't know, y'all. I don't know. We got a big dilemma, y'all. I need y'all help, man. I mean, you guys helped me out so much on that last video. You guys commented. Y'all gave me, you know, nothing but likes, man. And I appreciate that, y'all. So I want you guys to go in the comment section. Should I go with the stainless up front on both ends, and should I go with the stainless in the back? I already took them off, so pretty much that in the back I already made the decision, y'all. And two, you know, excuse the big old long exhaust pipes coming out the side. We'll trim them up, do something back there. I don't know, I might do a little chrome back there too. And see, that's the thing, man. If I'm gonna keep chrome, I don't want a lot of chrome. I want chrome here and there. You know what I'm saying? I'm old, but I ain't that old. The way I just want all that chrome on there. So yeah. I don't know what to say, y'all. I think this might be it. I was gonna show you guys how I clean the overspray off the windows, but I know y'all don't want to see that. I'm gonna go ahead and knock that out off camera, and I think that's it, y'all. I gotta get y'all input, man. This is one of them videos where I didn't do too much, but at the same time, we're gonna take those baby steps and we're gonna try to put this thing together, make it look good, make it flow together. And let me show you something. Y'all know I'm going with the white bumper, right? White bumper. And I have these, which you guys, if y'all don't know, is the custom deluxe. So if I go with these up front, which go up there like this. Ooh, man. I think I like that color right there, man. You know, going with that white. Ooh, 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 they like that silver. I mean, but that silver right there looks different. Man, I got a dilemma. Oh, because I was going to paint match that. But right now, the way that looks, I think I'm going to leave that the way that looks right there. That silver, leave the grill, you know, that silver like that. And I'm going with an OEM grill, OEM style grill. So, yeah, it's going to be that silver breaking it up. But I still have to have the trim around there. God almighty, man, I got so much stuff to think about, y'all. I wish I could do all those renders on Photoshop, but I don't have that time, and plus I don't have them skills. But thank y'all for watching the video. You know, if you enjoyed it, no, I didn't get nothing done in this video. No, I was doing a lot of blabbering, but this is a video where you guys can go down in the comment section, let me know what you guys think. I'm gonna still do what I want to do, but I still want to see what you guys have in mind, because you guys got a lot of insight, man. You guys are very smart. A lot of you guys got C10s. Y'all see that dog? But that joker did chilling like a villain, ain't it? All right, y'all, I'm finna go. Y'all have a good one. Peace.
You want my advice? Don't play yourself.
And subscribe, fool.
Fight!